Hey beautiful people, did you know you could achieve this look with your old hair extensions? Stay tuned and see how. Hey guys, do you have old hair extensions like this? Do not throw them out because they can come in handy. So thank you for clicking on this video. This is how I wash and condition my hair while it's in twist. So before I start to show you how to achieve the twist look, I'm just going to show you how I prep my hair before I start plaiting it. So my hair is clean and moist and dry, and I'm going to go in with my hair mayonnaise, and I had used it as a conditioner, and now I'm just going to use it as a leave-in conditioner where I just apply it on my hair and let it stay there and for my hair to absorb it, so that when I plait my hair does not have breakage. And then I go in with my coconut oil and repeat the same process so that my hair is nice and moisturized for the protective style that I am about to install. So if you're new here, my name is Maria, and on this channel I do videos about protective hairstyles and natural hair journey. If you didn't know this, I cut my hair last year, and this is how my hair is growing so far. This is growth for 1 year, and it's longer than it looks, guys. So before, as you know, we always have to section our hair to just make it manageable and for easy access. If you trust me, it will make your life easier. So these are my 4 sections, and then I'm just going to go in and start twisting. I usually start at the back, and at the back I just freestyle it because I don't use any kind of mirror. And I am going to show you how I was installing the twist before actually twisting it. So you're going to take a small hair of section, and then your old hair extension, which you are going to throw out, but you did not, because it was first not synthetic, and second it can be washed and conditioned, so it is clean. So even though it is old hair, it can be reused. So this is how I just install my twists for a tighter grip, and since they were like tiny twists, this works out perfect for everyone. And I know that the style will last me a whole month, which is 4 weeks, or if I'm pushing it, or 3 weeks if I decide to not be lazy. So, and this is how you just twist, and I decided to extend my twists so they were pretty long. So you just go ahead and start twisting. You twist the hair before you twist it so that you can have a neat look, and since these are not passion twists, and then you add in your hair extension and continue twisting, and you're going to achieve this look. And let me tell you, this is not easy, because as you had seen, I started plaiting my hair at around 12 and I finished at around 11 p.m. so you have to commit. And as I even do this editing and record this audio, my fingers are still painful, guys, from all the twisting, and since it was long, yeah, my fingers are still painful, but the style was so worth it. And this is the final look after I have laid my edges. It turned out so great, and look at this hair. Oh my god, I am so in love with it. It makes me feel so nice, and I hope you can try it. And just so to let you know, you do not always have to throw your hair extensions as long as they are not the synthetic braids. We do not reuse synthetic braids in this channel. And if you want a video of how I take care of my extensions, I am gonna show you guys, so just leave it in the comment. And I was so proud of how this hair turned out. It was so beautiful, and it turned out so great. I am so excited. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel and join the family, and let us grow together and do more hairstyles like this. And yeah, this is the final look. I love it so much. It was great, and the braids were long. They reached my ass, guys. I couldn't film the length, but yeah, they're long. and I'm so proud it turned out this beautiful. So do not throw your hair extensions, because you can achieve this look with old hair extensions and patience. Thank you for watching. My name is Maria. Stay tuned for my next video, and bye. Consider subscribing. See you guys later.